When someone we love becomes a memory, that memory becomes a treasure. Let me show you how to create something that honors that. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. I'm so happy you're here today. This project is really special to me. We're creating a beautiful memorial piece, two hands gently holding a heart with wings, and there's so much meaning in this design. Those hands, they represent holding on to the memory of someone we love, cradling it protectively, keeping it close to our hearts. The wings, they symbolize that their spirit lives on. They're free now, they're at peace, they've become our guardian angel watching over us. And that heart? It's still whole, still beautiful, still cherished, because love never dies. It doesn't end when someone passes, it just changes form. This piece carries such powerful symbolism for grief, remembrance, and eternal love. You can create it as a memorial for someone you've lost, as a way to honor their memory, or as a meaningful gift for someone going through loss. It's a beautiful reminder that love transcends physical presence. It lives on in our hearts. All right, let's get started. First thing we're doing is picking out our mica powders to color this beautiful silicone mold. Now, here's a little tip. I'm using cosmetic brushes for this. And let me tell you why. They work so much better than regular paintbrushes. They don't leave streaks. They give you smooth, even coverage. And they're just perfect for this kind of detailed work. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this coloring process takes a little time and patience. You really want to take it slow and be intentional with your placement because you don't want it looking messy or sloppy. We want this to be beautiful. So today, I'm trying something new. I'm using masking tape to divide the different sections of the mold. This way, I can keep the colors isolated exactly where I want them, without the mica powder spreading into areas where I don't want it. Less cleanup, more precision. Let's see how this technique works. Alright, now it's time to mix up our resin. I'm using Let's Resin epoxy, but here's the thing. This is a pretty thick mold, so I'm going with their deep pour formula. This stuff is amazing. It's super thin, almost like pouring water, which is exactly what we need for a mold this deep. It helps prevent bubbles and fills all those details beautifully. Now, I'm also adding some Let's Resin concentrated ocean white to the mix. This gives us a nice opaque white background, so all those gorgeous mica powder colors we just applied will really pop and show up bright and vibrant. Without this white base, the colors wouldn't have that same impact. So, we're setting ourselves up for success here. Okay, the moment of truth, demold time. Let's see how this beauty turned out. I'm carefully popping it out of the mold. And look at this. It's completely freestanding, so sturdy and solid. The deep pour resin worked perfectly. Let me show you all the details up close. Look at the top. See how those mica powder colors came through so vibrant and beautiful? The masking tape technique worked amazing. Each section is clean and defined. Now the bottom, smooth and perfectly cured. No soft spots, no issues. And check out the sides. Look at how the colors transition, how the white base makes everything pop. See those hands cradling that heart? The wing detail is so crisp and clear. This is absolutely stunning. The symbolism, the colors, the craftsmanship, it all came together beautifully. This is a piece that truly honors someone's memory. It's something you can display with pride, something that holds meaning and love. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support means the world to me, and don't forget, I've got a new posting schedule. You'll find new videos every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Please mark those calendars so you don't miss any new projects. I'll see you in the next video right here on the same crafty channel, same crafty time.